In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add participants to a Zoom meeting. Whether you're new to Zoom or just need a quick refresher, this straightforward guide will walk you through the process of inviting others into your meeting, making sure everything runs smoothly and efficiently. First, let's paint the picture. You've already set up your Zoom meeting and are ready to go. You're sitting comfortably in your chair and your device is set up. Now, you need to bring in your colleagues, friends, or family members to join you. This is where we begin. Start by opening up your Zoom meeting. Once you're in, look for your toolbar, which is typically located at the bottom of your Zoom window. It might be a little tricky to see if you're not in full screen mode, so you might need to hover your mouse over the bottom of your Zoom window to make it appear. Now, you'll notice a bunch of icons on this toolbar. What we're interested in today is the icon labeled Participants. It usually looks like two little silhouettes next to each other. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've clicked on Participants, you'll see a new panel open up on the right side of the screen. This panel is your main hub for managing everyone in your meeting. Inside this panel, take a look at the bottom where you'll spot the Invite button. This is your golden ticket to adding more people to your meeting. Click on Invite, and you'll see a list of various options pop up. In these options, you'll have different ways to invite someone. If you have their email address handy, you can send them an email invite directly from this window. Just enter their email, hit send, and they'll receive an invite with all the information they need to join your meeting. Alternatively, if you prefer another method, like copying the meeting link and sharing it through another messaging app, you can do that too. There's a quick button to copy invite link or copy invitation, which provides all the necessary details, including the meeting ID and password if you've set one. This method is great if you're coordinating with a group via a chat app or a professional collaboration platform. Simply paste the details into your chosen app and hit send. And there you have it. You've successfully invited participants to your Zoom meeting. As people begin to join, you'll notice their names appearing in the participant panel. From here, you can manage these participants with additional features like muting audio or even promoting them to co-host status if needed. I hope this guide helps you seamlessly bring people into your Zoom calls, enhancing your meetings with ease and precision. Thanks for following along, and I look forward to helping you more in future tutorials. Enjoy your meeting!